So hey guys, welcome to my channel Software Code Learning. So in this video I am gonna explain you about how we can polypaint our characters. So here I have my character, a cute character. So first I'm gonna tell you about how you can select objects, because you are not gonna go here in your subtool palette to select objects subtools. So first, if you want to select any of these subtools, for example I want to select tongue, so I just hover over onto tongue and just click, left click, alt left click. So it will select the tongue. Now if I want to select these spikes, okay, so just alt and left click on it, so it will select. Now if I select body, I will click on it, alt left click, and it will select. So now first, if you want to paint over on this, on its body, so you just have to pick color from here, and this is RGB intensity, so you have to enable this RGB on, because I have already picked this paintbrush. Okay, so you can paint like this on any object. So you can also control the intensity of it. Okay, okay, so this is how you can control the intensity of the RGB. Now if you want to fill this whole its whole body with a particular color, so if I take, for example, I take this color and just, so first of all you need to drag this color palette over here, and here you can see fill object option, so you just have to click on it and it will apply that color on it, on the object, on the body. Okay, so now I just want to change its color a bit. Alright, now I want pink color. Paint pink, not this. Like this you can paint on it. Okay, if you want to make the sharp, make it sharp, the strokes sharp, right? For that you need to play with focal shift. So if I just make it negative, it will become too sharp, the strokes become too sharp. And if I move on to the positive side, it will become smooth, the edges will become more smooth. Okay, this is how, this is the difference. And now I have just done with this, I just Now I want to paint these spikes, so I just alt left click on it and I just select it. Now I want to fill this, so I pick this little dark pink color, so I just fill it. Okay, make it all right. So I filled with it. Now I want these its tongue to be bit pinkish. Just paint it, reduce the intensity. All right, so this is how we can paint. Okay, another thing I want to tell you, that if you want to apply material on any of the object, right? So on subtool, so you just have to click on it. For example, I select the spikes, so I just have to enable, you need to enable material, and now you just select material for it. For example, I just pick this reflective, right? Okay, I just select this reflect 3 material and just click on fill object. Now you can see the material is applied on it. Okay, but it is also showing on these teeth. Okay, on its teeth. So when you change the material, it will go away, right? As you can see, the material is applied only on the spikes. Okay, so I need to paint its inner cavity, so just change the color to red. Okay, wait, is the intensity. So, okay, so enable RGB channel. It's too dark. Too. So like this, you can paint the cavity. So we have done with this. I have told you about the material, how you can apply material on it, and how you can paint with the paintbrush, and you can also use alpha. Okay, for example, you choose any of these alpha. Okay, for example, I choose this, and you can change this to spray. Okay, you can also drag rect, and you can apply like this. Like this you can apply on it. Okay, so play with these alpha also, very interesting. So I am finishing this video here, so thank you so much and have a nice day.